everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine at home. Myself, Miss Jessica from St. Paul's High School, Mira Road East. I'll be teaching craft for Standard 4th. Our today's topic is types of folds. In types of folds, we are going to learn 4 types. First one is stair-step fold. Second one is pocket fold. Third one is hood fold. And the last one is squash fold. So while doing the pocket fold and the hood fold, you are going to be very careful because many of y'all make mistakes and get confused in both the folds. So be very careful while doing the hood fold and the pocket fold. So follow the steps properly as I am doing it. So let's begin. So you all are going to require a square paper, that is your craft paper. First, you're going to fold your paper into half, crease it well, again fold in half, crease it well, unfold it. See, you'll get 4 squares, right? This creased line divides it into 4 parts. Now with the help of scale, you're going to tear the paper into 4 parts. See, this way. Make 4 parts. So I've torn the paper into 4 parts this way. So let's start with the first fold, that is the stair-step fold. So step 1, fold your paper into half, triangle shape, crease it well. Now unfold it, get a center line. Now from both the sides, both flaps, you are going to fold it towards the center line and crease it well. Same way, other side also. Done. Now step 2, this strip here, this strip, you are going to fold it towards this end. Now I'm going to fold it upwards. Done. Crease it well. Step 3, now you're going to take more than half of this folded triangle. You'll get a small triangle, right? Now you're going to take more than half of this triangle and you're going to fold it again backwards. And crease it well. And you all are done with the stair-step fold. When you see from the other side, a point should be seen, small triangle. This is done, keep it aside. So now the second fold is pocket fold. Please observe it carefully because you all get confused in pocket fold and the hood fold. So now we are doing the pocket fold. First step, fold your paper in half, triangle shape, crease it well, unfold it. Now both these flaps, you are going to fold it towards the center line. Step 2, this side also same thing. Okay, now fold this paper into half this way. Now step 3, see, now this is your opening side, right? And what you're going to do, you're going to take the strip and you're going to fold it this way towards the opening side. Give it a slant fold and crease it well. Again unfold it, you get a slant line here. Now taking the help of that creased line, again you're going to fold it backwards, crease it well. Done. Again open it. Now after opening you get a V shape. What you're going to do, you're going to take the strip, bring it, see, hold your paper this way, now bring it inwards and then crease it. This way you'll get your pocket fold. So pocket fold is inwards, right? See, this way. Third one is your hood fold. Again for the hood fold, first step is to fold your paper into half, triangle shape, crease it well, unfold it both the sides. Second step, step 2, fold it towards the center line, crease it well. Same way this side, crease it well. Now fold your paper into half, again crease it well. Now step 3. Now see, for pocket fold you folded this strip towards the opening side. Now for hood fold, you're going to fold the strip towards the closed side downwards. So I'll take the strip and fold it downwards this way towards the closed side. Okay, see, again unfold it, get a creased line here. Taking the help of that line, again fold it from the other side, give it a crease, unfold it, open this paper this way. Now this strip you're going to fold it backwards, that means outwards, and then you're going to fold your paper again, close your paper, and you're going to crease this strip well. You're done with the hood fold. Okay, that's the difference. This is your pocket fold, will come from the opening side, and hood fold, this will go from the closed side. Keep it aside. Now the last one is your squash fold. For squash fold, step 1, fold your paper into half, rectangle shape, crease it well. Again you're going to fold it into half, square shape, crease it well. Now see what you're going to do. Now you get 2 flaps here, right? Now one flap you're going to bring it down, and this flap you're going to stretch it out, stretch it wide, and then crease it down and crease your paper well. Get a squash fold. It's simple. See, yeah, done. So now it's time to stick. For sticking, you're going to take your craft notebook, and on your craft notebook you're always going to stick it on your right hand side page. You're going to require some glue. First, write the topic name, types of folds, write the date. If you want to make the border, you can make the border, and then you're going to start sticking. First you're going to divide the page into 4 parts. and stick it. So this way you are going to divide your page into 4 parts roughly. Stick it this way. First is stair step fold, second is pocket fold, third one is hood fold, and the fourth one is squash fold. All understood? Pocket fold, you're going to fold it towards the opening side, see, and hood fold, you're going to fold it towards the closed side, this tip. Okay, so don't get confused in the both the folds. It's simple. So that's it. We are done with the types of fold. So I hope you all have understood the types of folds. Yes. So which fold we did today? Stair step fold, pocket fold, hood fold, and squash fold. So I hope you all will stick it nicely and properly. So meet you all in the next video with the next topic. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.